How to download Warzone on PC and laptop. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to download Warzone on PC. To install or download, you want to first of all watch this video right till the end. Open up your browser on the web address bar, type in callofduty.com/Warzone. So while you're on this page, you want to click on the Warzone from the top, and after which you want to scroll down and you could either go ahead and install it on. So then you have these options. So what you could do is, if you already have install or Steam installed to your device, you could go ahead and click that out, or else you could go with battle.net. So you want to go ahead and select battle.net, and then you could go ahead and click on download battle.net from the top of the page. It's gonna download the exe file. So once the exe file is completely downloaded, open up File Explorer. Now then you need to run this installation. So you want to double click onto it, and after which you want to click on the run button and set up your battle.net and look for Warzone on your battle.net, and you will be able to play or download Warzone on your PC. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.